The power of restructured water. Since the early 1990s, Japanese news programs have featured stories about the amazing benefits of restructured water. Impressed by its many diverse applications and the incredible stories that they've witnessed, many of the reporters refer to it as miracle water. For nearly 5 decades, both alkaline and acidic waters have been used in the top hospitals and medical clinics in Japan. This patient was diagnosed with an advanced case of diabetic neuropathy, and was actually preparing for the amputation of his leg. In a final attempt to save his limb, his physician decided to try an aggressive treatment using alkaline and acidic water. He started with a regimen of soaking his foot in strong acidic water to kill bacteria and germs, while at the same time, he started to drink approximately 3 liters of 9.5 pH alkaline water each day. The results were unbelievable. The amputation of his leg was cancelled, and today he is up and about, enjoying a full recovery. These children are suffering from very serious skin conditions. Many adults also suffer from these types of skin problems. These skin conditions can be unsightly, and very painful. Patients were initially treated with topical creams and ointments but saw very little results. Doctors decided to use alkaline and acidic waters. Patients were first given alkaline water to drink, then the strong acidic water was applied topically to their skin. Young children are the most difficult to treat, as they simply do not understand why this is happening to them. They just want the pain and discomfort to go away. These before and after images clearly show the effectiveness of the water treatments on a variety of different skin conditions. It has even been effective on severe burns. Some Japanese hospitals use the strong acidic water to treat exposed bed sores. This use of restructured water is an excellent substitute for traditional medications, and it has been extremely effective. Residents of many elder care facilities drink alkaline water, and have experienced improvements in health and quality of life. In Japanese child care centers, many children drink this water from the time they are born, and will enjoy the benefits for a lifetime. Restructured water is produced by diverting normal tap water through a machine, which changes the water molecules through an electrolysis process. First, the water is filtered to remove any contaminants and impurities. Next, the water flows over platinum-coated titanium plates in the electrolysis chamber, where a positive and negative electrical charge divides the ions into 2 separate streams. So, how does restructured water create such incredible results? According to some of the world's foremost medical experts, cellular degeneration from oxidative stress has become the main cause of the vast majority of known human diseases. Oxidative stress occurs when an oxygen molecule has an overabundance of electrons, which can damage healthy cells. Active hydrogen, found in alkaline drinking water, neutralizes these potentially harmful free radicals, making them completely harmless, while also detoxifying and hydrating the cells. Scientists have proven the effectiveness of strong acidic water for killing germs and bacteria by using the powerful color laser microscope, which is able to view even the smallest microbe. What you are seeing is a live sample of active germ cells. Once strong acidic water is introduced to the sample, the germs quickly begin to die. You can see the dramatic difference between the before shot on the right, and the after shot on the left. In Japan, alkaline water is used in restaurants, hotels, childcare and elder care centers, and in hundreds of the top hospitals. In restaurants, the strong acidic water is used for sterilization and cleaning, while the alkaline drinking water is used to make the very best soups. In hotels, the strong acidic water is used to sterilize, while the strong alkaline water is used for cleaning and degreasing. Many hospitals in Japan use the strong acidic water for sterilizing surgical equipment, for disinfecting operating rooms, and they even use it for washing hands before surgery, instead of using the less effective combination of soap and water. This water can be used in this way because the pH level is 2.7 or less, which is acidic enough to kill germs and bacteria. Restructured water is also used for farming and on top golf courses. Strong acidic water is used instead of chemical pesticides, and the results are just as effective. Fruits and vegetables are irrigated using alkaline water, helping them to grow faster and larger. And on golf courses, the strong acidic water is used to help control destructive parasitic insects on the greens, which keeps